When the air turns crisp and the leaves paint the streets in shades of amber, there's nothing more comforting than wrapping your hands around a warm mug of pumpkin-spiced goodness. But what if you could enjoy all that cozy fall flavor without dairy and with a completely plant-based twist? This vegan pumpkin coffee will not only satisfy your seasonal cravings but also give you a smooth, rich cup bursting with warm spices and natural sweetness. For this recipe, you'll need simple ingredients that create magic together. For 2 servings, gather 2 cups of brewed coffee, strong. For a robust base, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, or any plant-based milk you love, 4 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, or a mix of cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Optional toppings include dairy-free whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon for the perfect cafe-style finish. Start by brewing your coffee. In a small saucepan over medium heat, combine the almond milk, pumpkin puree, maple syrup, pumpkin pie spice, and vanilla extract. Whisk constantly until the mixture is hot but not boiling, letting the spices fully infuse. Pour the hot mixture into your brewed coffee and stir to combine. For a creamier texture, blend the mixture for 20 to 30 seconds before serving. This drink is more than just coffee, it's a hug in a mug, a little moment of indulgence that makes autumn mornings brighter and afternoons cozier. The natural pumpkin adds fiber and vitamins, the maple syrup offers a rich caramel-like sweetness without refined sugar, and the spices bring that nostalgic holiday aroma. If you want to make it extra special for guests, serve it in clear mugs so they can admire its golden brown hue, top with a swirl of dairy-free whipped cream, and finish with a dash of cinnamon or even a cinnamon stick as a stirrer. Whether you're sipping it while watching the leaves fall or pairing it with a slice of warm pumpkin bread, this vegan pumpkin coffee will become your go-to drink for the season. Have you ever tried making your own dairy-free pumpkin coffee at home, or are you ready to brew your first one this fall?